Okay, we can start it.
Start speaking.
Okay. Hello everyone, I'm Hilal.
I'm Ugur. And I'm Shiv.
Our project name is Clean Up. Our slogan is Save Baltic, Save World. So, do you know that the most polluted sea in the world is Baltic Sea? Like, I was very shocked when I saw this title in the first time. And now let's look at some countries which they had before this problem and how they solve it. Netherlands, North Sea, United States, Boston Harbor, and United Kingdom River Thames, Japan, Minamata Bay. So let's look at how they solve it. So these countries had some common ideas to solve this problem, like strict regulations, wastewater treatment facilities, and cultivation of new life forms. And as you see, Sweden, Finland, Estonia, Lithuania, and Latvia, those are currently trying to solve this problem, and they're introducing new regulation facilities, and those also trying new facilities, but it is not enough because it is so costly and it's too long for implement those facilities. And where is the Baltic Sea problem? And we have microplastics, nutrition, sand, oil, and garbage problems. So we created one platform for many solutions. Our cleanup project is the waterproof and converted and lightweight and carbon fiber. And the floating model is the autonomous oil filter, solar panel, and real-time monitoring. And first one is the cleaning the sea and collects the oil, and with the built filters. They have the filters inside. And this for the autonomous navigations, and their map, as you can see, this one. And this one is the underwater model, and autonomous robotic arm, real-time monitoring, and data collection. They are function of this underwater module. And these are the mussels and microalgae and fishes for. These are the four features for the boat robots. And the first one is the, as you see, dimension, power source, capacity of garbage, remote control. It's autonomous, and the other ones is the all of the same, but the second one, which is underwater, and it's 24 hour, and the normal is 20. And yeah, the features all the same. And our plan is we will start with this area, which is Gulf of Riga, and with 200 robots in 3 years. And
so if you talk about the teams, I am Ugur. I am right now study of RTU. Oh, okay. Okay. I am Ugur. I am study of Riga Technical University, aviation transport. That's been aircraft engineering, and in the team, I am the product manager, also mechanic engineers. So I have a lot of experience about the autonomous systems and electronic systems. I'm already in the captain of the RTU unmanned aerial vehicle teams. So yeah, I am like that basically.
Okay, I'm Hilal. I was studying at RTU Entrepreneurship and Management, and now I'm studying at RSU Medicine. And I have my own business company for at my country, but yeah, I'm also doing the marketing manager.
And I'm Shiv. Currently, I'm studying at Riga Technical University, Bachelor's of Computer Systems, and I have been into ICT, software company, as a ICT consultant. And back in my country, I was research assistant in the IoT. So yeah, thank you.
So why we need to clean the Baltic Sea? Why is so important? Because the first of economic reason, and the fish sector have very huge economic income, and there are also specific fish which is live it in the Baltic Sea, and the Baltic is also great option for tourism, for aspect of the health. And if you want to eat fish which is come from the Baltic Sea, and they had microplastic and chemical things, and we are eating this one, so it is not healthy.
So you are talking about the market, our market is B2B. Of course, not more expensive than human life, but for this project, we have to work with the government. I will pass this part. And yeah, already finished. Yeah, thanks for listening for us. Yeah.
Hey guys, great project. It actually really reminds me of a project that I also did at the hackathon a few years back. So,
Was involved?
no, I wasn't. But I'll repeat the questions we got. So here you go. Do you have a 3D model, or is it the model that you did? Did you draw it, or is it a 3D model and you did just screenshots from the AutoCAD, or?
Yeah, for example, we started with the one platform is a main platform, so we can use it for different types. Which one is the for cleaning the top of the waters? You just added some basic solar panel system and some basic the motors for truss. If you take off that and if you put it some propeller like that and also take off the solar panel, put it some arms, and it's going to be change of the underwater drone like submarine robots. So yeah.
So the question I had was regarding the propellers that you have here. If you are planning to use this, well, it's also something that I should probably mention. I have a robotics degree. So the propeller, these ones, if you set them in the sea, seaweeds will get stuck in them. So this model as it is right now won't be able to function in sea within, it's gonna be dead within like 15 minutes there. If you're out there to clean up microplastics and seaweeds, they are gonna get in the way of these types of propellers if you don't add any kind of safety around them. So they won't be able to function long.
So the thing is that underwater module is not cleaning. The cleaning part is for the floating ones, the before one. Yeah, this one. So this will float on the like water. That this one won't go underground, so underwater. And the second one, yeah, this one is collecting the data for the research purposes, like what is the status, like good algae or bad algae, and the mussels farm she mentioned, and the fish population. So this one's for research, and the first one's for the garbage collection. And yeah. So for propeller, like he's from robotics. So like you mentioned, we can figure something out on this, and we have like 2-3 propellers in our mind. But as for the time limit, we selected this one.
Okay, good. That was the first question I had, and the second was, where are you planning to run these robots to do cleanup? Is it canals or actually in the sea? Because what is their volume, the volume of trash they're actually able to collect, and where are gonna, like, do they need to be actually manipulated by human beings? If they are autonomous, then did you think of the station where they're gonna dump the trash out? And
the slide that showed the map. Okay. Yeah. So like, if for example, if the underwater or the filtration, whichever is collecting the garbage, if it's here, this will be the place where it will dump the garbage. Whichever is the near node, like we are working as a node, like wherever the nearest node is, it will go there and dump it, and again come back for collecting more garbage.
okay, then there's a different question that kind of appears on its own. So what's the radius? How far off the shore would be able to actually clean?
Actually, it's about the autonomous system. So we don't need the controller in the remotely. We just selecting in the map. You should be clean this area, and with the GPS system is know to where you have to go, and this is going to be start to automatically clean. There's garbage have or not. Yeah, about the power system, we say 24 hours is working without again the charging. So other system we said we have to put the 200 vehicles for cleaning area, not only once. So should be.
None of them can go far off the shore. So no matter how many you have, none of them are able to go far away in the sea.
Mhm.
So you'll only be able to clean next to the beaches, right?
Yeah.
You should also think of the target you are trying to reach out to. So
or-
it's not going to be the sea, it's going to be close to the shore.
But if like hypothetically, if we want to clean like like far away off the shore, we can go with some boat or place, and then we can deploy the units. And as it had solar panels, so after cleaning that particular area, like suppose there are some EU project or some NGOs that want to clean some area, so we'll go there with the boats, and depending on how much area we want to clean, we can deploy that much amount of robots, and after cleaning that particular area we can come back. And that's the main part, that we can this is like flexible, not like water treatment plants that are stationary.
Actually, I have one challenging question for you. You know that Baltic Sea and every sea, there is not only pollution, but there is also ships. How the ships will know that you are cleaning this area? For example, I have a tanker that is going to Riga port, and I totally will not see your 200 robots that will be cleaning the sea. And at the end of the day, you will only have 100 robots. The same also is about, for example, if I have small recreational vehicle, yacht or motorboat, and I am now having the speed in Riga Gulf for 70 kilometers per hour, and accidentally I found your robot with my nose. So the result is -1 robot, minus yacht that costs 100,000 euros. So how I will see your robot? Will it have some radar, passive radar reflector, or it will be somewhere seen? But you know that, as I said, no one is reading emails. Why you think that the yacht operators will read on looking on some app and to see where are your robots?
Yeah, exactly. Maybe yes, you can't see all robots with the radars because it should be small, smaller than your tank. But we can see you. I mean, we can change the rotations. If we saw something is coming and rotation is crossing, change the rotations.
How fast can it move in the waves? It's going to be very lightweight, and the propellers won't be able to move too fast. So will you be able to actually adjust the route fast enough?
Yeah, it's a submarine, so going to down maybe.
Okay, teams, that's very easy.
Yeah.
Okay, do we have some questions?
Yes.
Yes, madam.
Almost done, but not yet. One more question. There's a, sorry guys, I'm really sorry, but it is what it is. One more question regarding the company called Ocean Cleanup. There's a company, Ocean Cleanup. I kind of think that what you're going for is kind of similar. So the concept of the company is that they have the same thing, just quadruple, 10 times bigger than this one. So what is the advantage of smaller? Yeah, but they also have a machine that actually looks like this one, just many times bigger. So the question is, what's the benefit of having it smaller instead of that large one that they already have?
No, you.
Like I said, that having the small machine would make it easier to move anywhere. If anyone want to deploy our specific area, we can move that, or we can go there easily compared to the bigger machine that Ocean Cleanup have. So, and we are doing both tasks, that we are not just focusing on cleaning, we are also doing the research. So if any research institutes want to research a particular area, we can provide them that.
There was one new information since the time I mentored this. So how are you going to manage 200 autonomous robots with each other? I think the progress that needs to be done in swarm intelligence is still a little bit in the future. So
You are into robotics. Yeah, so like you said, that swarm intelligence is not quite a used thing right now, but like we have tried with 10 or 20, but we can scale up to 200. over the time. So yeah, that's the current answer we have, because 10 to 20 is possible. Like there are 2 or 3 techniques that we were, like me and Ugur were thinking on, like having different microcontrollers and everyone's sending each other position so they won't collide with each other. But that's possible for 20. But we'll scale up and we'll find some solutions in near future.
Okay, no more questions. Thank you, team.